On a quiet morning, a curious little cat met a tiny blue bird by chance. At first, they were strangers, cautious, silent, unsure of each other's hearts. But fate had other plans. When the bird's wing broke, the cat didn't walk away. He stayed, watching, guarding, caring. Day by day, their fear turned into trust, and trust became friendship. They shared food, warmth, and quiet moments under the rain. When danger came, the cat was the first to fight, tearing the net that trapped his only friend. Together, they survived storms. Together, they healed. Then, one morning, the bird could finally fly again. The cat watched, proud yet heavy-hearted. The bird soared high, singing softly, a song of gratitude, a promise of return. And as the sky opened, the cat whispered,
"Go on, little one. You're free now."